G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at the Lenovo LED strip light strip, about a quarter of the price of the LifeX one. You say. And remember, if it's tech for me, it's tech for you. Okay, so the Lenovo LED light strip, $39 in Australia, so what's that? 25 bucks in the US. The LifeX one, which you can see behind me here, $129. They both came with a 2-meter strip to start with. Boast 16 million colors, can be controlled from anywhere in the world, has voice control, tunable RGB, so that's like 16 million different colors, is programmable and dimmable. Works with Amazon and with Google, Siri shit. It works off Wi-Fi. No hub required. So in the box you get a power adapter, you get the on-off switch with the Wi-Fi built into it, and you also get the 2-meter cable with the LED light strips in it. There are 30 LEDs within this light strip, and you stick it down to any surface you want with the 3mm tape on the back, which is double-sided. Now you will remember when I did the LifeX one, I did install it by just cutting about 1 inch or 2 of 3mm tape off each section, because I couldn't stand the idea of peeling it all off at once and sticking it down on one surface. If I do want to move it at some point, moving 1 inch of 3mm tape is going to be a lot easier than 2 meters of it, and that would then make your device unusable anywhere else. Now for this, you do use the Lenovo Link Pro app to install it, and I've got to tell you, I followed the instructions to install this and it was easy. I mean, using the Lenovo bulbs, just your general bulbs, was so frustrating, but installing this was easy as pie. I mean, I just turned it on and followed the instructions on the Lenovo Link Pro app, which was really simple to understand and to follow. I stuck mine down behind the TV. I thought that was a good spot for it, and here you can see it's on. I'm sitting there in the dark playing Mario Kart with my daughter, and you can see the blue light. Looks fine. I really enjoyed it. Looks fine, looks nice and easy on the eye, and you know, again, it's a talking point. It amazes me how many people don't have smart lights and smart functions throughout their house, and everyone who sees it wants to talk about it and ask questions about it. So hopefully this video will help people like that to maybe make a decision to buy these or how to install them. So for me, I had to install it first before I set it up. I wanted it in the right spot, and I didn't want to be fiddling around with it plugged in. I wanted to lay my cable out, get it all nice where I wanted it exactly right. Then I plugged it in and installed it from there. Now at this stage, I can only see that the whole strip can only be one color at a time. You can't have different sections of the light strip changing different colors at different times. See the LifeX one behind me here? You've got 7 or 8 different colors all working at once, and with the Lenovo one, you only get that whole 2-meter strip. It's either pink or blue or whatever color it is that you choose it. As you can see here, you can choose from 16 million colors. That's a shitload of colors. And then you can also choose different scenes, and you've got here working, leisure, soft, colorful, dazzling, gorgeous, nighttime, and reading as well. So plenty of different scenes, and I really do like it. I don't think it looks bad at all. The light looks nice and clean. Look, it's early days for Lenovo with these LED light strips, and I'm pretty happy with what I see. I think in future updates, the light will have more ability to do more things and be more customizable, but for now it's just that 2 meters of one color. Now you can choose different scenes where it rolls through different colors every couple of seconds, and you can choose the speed in which the colors change as well. So it is customizable to a degree. It's just others in the market can do it a bit better at this stage. But again, it's a quarter of the price of the LifeX one. So is having 7 colors on one strip worth $80 to you, or is it not worth it? That's probably the question you're going to ask here. A little bit more customization with LifeX, but for the early days, Lenovo is really doing something good here for the price, and I'm quite satisfied with what I got. I think I need to do a video on cable management, because behind that TV is a nightmare. So also look after your cable management if you get a chance to. Do you have any questions about the Lenovo Smart LED light strip? If you do, hit me up in the comments below. I'm really looking forward to being able to help people out with that, especially if you have any problems setting it up. So make sure you click on one of the links floating around me right about now to watch other videos on other smart bulbs. So make sure you subscribe so you can tune in to watch those as well. Thank you for watching, and remember, if it's tech for me, then it's tech for you. Catch ya!